Hello everyone, my name is Rodolfo and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 1.29 release team meeting. Today is October the 18th and we are in the week 7 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting which falls under the community's code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other, and thank you all. This meeting is being recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. I will check the open discussion items. I don't see any discussion items in the list. Is there anything to discuss before we can go for the team updates? If not, let's move on. Let's start with team updates with enhancements. Mohamed Risa.
Uh, yes. Hello, everyone. Thank you. Actually, we don't have much update from last week. Our status is green, and starting this week, we have begun the initial round of code freeze outreach. So that's basically it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad. Is there any question for Mohammad? If not, let's move on to CI signal with Paco. Paco Shu, I think you are mute if you are talking. It seems that I see Paco in the attendees list, but it has not his mic on. So anyone from CI Signal that can give the status?
Sorry.
Sure.
Uh, um, the current CI signal status is green, I think, and we have some issues in tracking. And yesterday there is a failure in Kubernetes related CI for merged pull request, and we have already reversed that. And another one is today we find a signal release blocking CI failure, and a revert is sent and approved, and still need some confirm before merge. And for the master informing grade, we there is a performance CI failure for timeout to collect logs. Well, and this is in discussion, and now we suspect it is some rate limit or something like that. And for the master blockchain, only two less frequent flake. One is about report for GCP cloud provider, and another is for AWS. And we found some disk pressure on the node, and maybe caused by uh, the disk problem, and we should enlarge the disk later. This is a working in process. And the last one is about uh, since October the 14th, the all test name has a new suffix like sig name or conformance tag, and so in the test grid we see a lot of empty cells. But after several days, this will be changed, I think. That's all.
Okay, great. Thanks for tracking those flaky tests. Is there any question for Paco Shu or CI Signal team? If not, let's move to book triage with Mofi Rama.
Hey everyone, Bug Trash here. Our current status is green. We're tracking 14 issues and about 11 PRs. And this week or last week, we actually pinged all the issue and PR authors to let them know about the code freeze for 129 release. And we're waiting to hear back, but everything is on green and track.
Great, glad to hear that, Mofi. Thanks. Is there any question to Mofi or book triage team? If not, let's move to docs with Harshita Sao.
Hey everyone, the current doc status is yellow. The placeholder PR deadline is tomorrow, and till now we have 31 enhancements with confirmed status, and 17 are still unknown. So we have pinged all the CAP owners through GitHub and Slack, and we are expecting to get more PRs till tomorrow. Yeah, that's it from docs. Thank you.
Great, thanks Harshita. Is there any question to Harshita or docs team? If not, we can move to release notes with Fika and Sari.
Yeah, hi everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah.
All right. So hi, I'm Faika. I'm from the release notes team. Our current status is green. The Alpha Point 2 PR has been successfully submitted and is now live. So I am now working on the release notes draft to Alpha Point 2, and the PR for it will be out like super soon, probably by the end of day today. Secondly, we are currently in the process of working on the major themes contact part, and it is still in progress. So we have reached out to several SIGs via the Slack channel. But so far, we have only received one major theme update, which was by SIG scheduling. And we are looking forward to more such updates in the coming dates. But we will be sending out an email to create awareness about the major themes discussion thread as we come closer to the deadline. So if there is any suggested stuff, then we'll be taking it up in the mail itself. So yeah, that's all from release notes team, and our status is totally green. Thank you.
Thank you, Fika. Is there any question to Fika or release notes team? If not, we can move to comms with Caro Valencia. Hi, Caro.
Hi, everyone. Our current status is green. We are working in the blog about talking about deprecations. It was created a pull request and also notifying all the Slack teams with the SIG blog, SIG release to anyone that could help to write and review this blog. Also, the team is working to reach all the owners to have more blogs opted in, and we have one blog ready to review. I think if you have any questions.
Is there any question for Caro or comms team? If not, we can move to release branch management with Jim. I am not sure if Jim is on the call. I think he doesn't. So I will send him a message to ask for the status. And does anyone knows about the status of release branch? I think Navarone is in the call. Do you have any idea of the status of the branch management?
I'm not sure about that. I think we should defer to Jim.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. So let's move to Emeritus Advisor Sander. Sander will not attend to the meeting. He told me that we should reminder that the release retro is tomorrow. So please add any ideas or open discussion items to the document. We don't have enough items in the document, so please fill some of them. What went well in 1.29, what could have gone better in this release, and what can we do differently in the next release. So please add some items to discuss since the meeting will be happening tomorrow. Let's move on to release lead with Priyanka. Priyanka also could not attend to this meeting, but here is her status. The APAC release meeting is starting this Friday, so on October 20. If you want to attend to that meeting, it will start this Friday. Quick update, the PR 129 switched the script read-only validation GCE gate to deprecated. This means it's now enabled by default and not gated as alpha from 1.28. This is a discussion that is following in Slack in the 6th release channel. So if you want to know more about that, you can follow that. We also add a note about in 1.29 mid-cycle deprecations, removals, and major change blog. Okay, that is the status from release lead, Priyanka. And for SIG scalability, is there anyone in the call? It seems that not, so I think we can move on. I think those all were the team status for this week. Is there anything else do you want to add before we can stop the recording? If not, I think that is all from today. I will stop the recording right now.